Today we have got the cooking stove, butane gas and the cooking utensils. There are three parts which are very important to start the stove. This is the knob, orange one, on and off. This is the lighter and this is the starter. Okay. Now let me show you how to fix the butane gas into the stove. This is the disc, okay, with a hole. This is the pin. First, fix this and adjust it. Okay, fix it and move it to the right. Place it on the ground. So this is how we have fixed the gas. Okay, and let me start. Let me place it on the ground and start the knob. This is the starter. I'll show you how to uninstall this. Press it and move it towards my side and then remove it. Okay, and then you can just move it anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and done. To order this, contact Camstrike India and the details are given in the description. And watch this space for more products.